why don't you uncross your arms there? Let's see your right. Is that your name? Me? Me? Will you please come up here on the stage here? Thank you. Please inspect this side. Make sure that it doesn't bend, fold, disintegrate, dilapidate, or melt in any way or manner into the handle. Is it real?
Yeah.
Am I real?
Yeah.
Are those real? No. What are you laughing at? I put most girls out of business. Someone's getting excited over here. No, not my type. Not big enough. No. Like I said, I'm going to be working strong. You have an iron problem? Do you have sinus problems? You do? Oh, here, let me show you how to do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that brains on there? No, it's not. You are more than happy to go back. Somebody see that? Somebody already jumped in your grave already. A young little whippersnapper, a bedwetter still. Now, let's see. Where the hell is he up? Not many Hindu fakirs or blockheads or whatever else you wish to call us is capable of using an implement of this size, except for one other person that I know of. There might be two more, but I don't know him personally or even met him. And that was Melvin Burkhart, which just died recently. He was known as the anatomical wonder, and myself. And that is using a 300 penny nail. This nail is over 6 inches long. It is a 1/4 inch in diameter, and it is solid steel. I don't know, I stole it myself. $2.99 a pound, and there's only 12 nails to the pound. You're not looking. I don't know why you're not looking. You know, we don't give out refunds. That is all the way back. I was telling somebody a little earlier that the secret of doing the human blockhead is when something is placed inside the central sinus tract, you have this urge for your eyes to water, your nose to run. You have this incessant urge to sneeze. I have seen a blockhead sneeze while a nail, not a nail, it was an ice pick in his nose. He fell off the stage dead. That was in 1967. Thank you. Now I need a little more help here. And I seem real cool, calm, collected. Put yourself up here.
So far, so far.
Inside of this silver cigar tube is a couple of implements. Will you please take one of them out? What is it? That is an antique hat pin. That particular hat pin is about, close to 100 years old. And it has been used by about 2 or 3 individual Sideshow pin cushioners for some time. Is it sharp? Oh, yeah. You think it's about as sharp as a tattooing implement? Yeah, about the same. About the same. Okay, what's that? A liner is about 2 lines? Yeah. Have you ever picked your teeth from the outside in? The outside in? Oh, I'm sorry. Of course, I gotta have teeth to pick my teeth now, but you get that with age when you're over 50. Okay. Okay, now this is one thing. Oh, we're going to get better. Oh, unplug it. Oh. Well, we're going to try a little better. Okay. Does everybody know where the main, obviously the jugular vein is on either side of the bronchial passage. But does everybody know where the arteries that feeds the face, the tongue, and stuff like that is? Directly in front of the throat. Thank you, sir. You better sit down. This is going to take you first. Boy, I feel so. All the years of sword swallowing to done, mankind still correctly has a problem of your Brazier's tract rate. Cup pulls down like so, and the pulsey kind of hangs around your blouse somewhere down here. You know, what you do, you put the cup back, the pulsey back in the cup, pull the cup up like so, put the strap down like so, you pinch your boobie and you just run right on through. I didn't show you that. Oh, wait a second. Let's do one better. Let's see. Let me get another pin out here. Hopefully it's still in great shape. Oh, yeah. This one's really great. It's called You Do Voodoo. I did this to a magician by the name of Bruce Spangler and blew his mind because he thought I was doing his gaffe. And it wasn't the gaffe. I was doing it for real. Well, I do it this way. And ram it.
Oh, yeah. Talk about a bend like that inside. Now something that I haven't done in a very, very long time. Are you ready for this, Ray? Yes, you are. Are you crazy? No, I'm certified. Okay, great. Oh, you talking to yourself? Yes, I'm talking to myself. Are you answering yourself? I've always answered myself. There's something wrong with me. Okay, now.
Yeah, I got two on.
Oh, I love them sweet.
Why do they always gotta pick me?
You know how to pull that out? Yes, she does. No, I don't want to take your life away. Pick one and pull it out. No, pull it in. What is it?
It's like a huge nail.
It's actually a barbecue skewer. Now this is something I haven't done since 1973, so let's hope I can still do it. Lean your body up against this railing here, okay? Because I'm going to need your help, and I don't want you to pass out before I start. Okay? Got it? Now we're going to get a little better. Yeah. Thanks, Rocco, for the thing here. It'll work miracles. Now, I can only get the thing out. Right there on that wooden board there. About how much does that weigh?
Probably about like 5 pounds.
About 5 pounds, okay. That's not bad considering, you know, 73, 83, 93. That's almost 30 years since the last time I done this. So let's see. And I used to do this at least once in every fair. And this would be the final act. There would be one more, but I don't think most people can tolerate how to fix broken jock straps. What are you laughing at? That's when everybody, that's what really separates the men from the boys. Works for me. Oh, this is so easy. We're going to do it all better. Thank you. Now, who's got $1? Give me $1. Who else got $1? It's going to take more than one to do this next act. I'm going to leave the skewer in me so you people can later on look up at it. Okay? That'll work. Oh, you get to do even a better one this time. Okay, who else has $1? $1, $5, $10 bill, $20 bill, $50, even $100 bill. I'm a $100 whore too. Yes, we are whores. Just come on right on up here. Come right on up here. Okay. Okay, we need some more people up here. Come on, who's next? Come on up here. Get up here in line. Get up here in line. Okay, you need $1, $5, $2, even though clear $3, $2 bills. Works for me. Just come right on up here. Anywhere but the eyeballs. She gets to do the forehead because she's coming up with a larger bill. Anywhere. Anywhere. Come on. Ah, come on. Do it hard. Push in. Push in. Damn. There you go. There you go. Now, don't do this at home. Okay, young man. Hold it. Got permission from this old man?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now get violent now. Okay. Make sure he has his goodies. Okay. Anywhere. Sometime today, George. We still have other people waiting. Do it again. I didn't feel it. Ah, there you go. Now, you get to do it on my head. Oh.
Yeah.
It's okay, I got my pliers. Pull it out, but that's okay.
Should I go where the line is?
I care less. Just as long as it's not the eyeball. I would like to see, although I'm half blind. Just, look, take it, put it up here. Give me a hand, give me a hand, take it. There. Is that simple enough? Would you like to do it again? Are you sure?
I'll do it.
Is it done for real?
Yes, it's
Is it a trick? Is it a gimmick? Is it a hallucination?
Can I try it?
Or an illusion? You got $1. Well, then as the old saying goes, you snooze, you lose. Okay, only large bills you get to tape on my head, but let's see. Let's make it a little more realistic here.
That really looks like it hurts.
You know when it hurts? It's when you pull it out.
That's what I want to say. Do I get to assist you in pulling them out also?
Hmm? Oh, that's sticky. There you go, young man. Are you sure? Okay. Well, here. Let's just make it a little simple. Okay? I'm gonna put the cap on this crazy crap in here. Now watch. Now that is what you should be capable of doing. Boom, 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 boom. Blank, 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 blank. Gridlin, am I correct? At any time. But if you sneak up behind me and stick me in the ass with a pin, I'll jump 5 feet just like anybody else would. I don't know why you're laughing. Look at this money I got. Jeez. Well, I thank you people very much. This money that you have given me will be donated to the Red Stewart Society of the Prevention of Sword Swallowers and Torture Kings from bleeding to death, like that vein right there. I hope you people enjoyed. Ouch, that hurts.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all. See you again in a year, I suppose.
Could you do you're watching, I'm Red Stewart, and you're watching Shocked, and I'm going to do it with all that stuff on you right there. That'd be great. We're going to have you do an ID into the
My
chat.
mind is still...
I'm sorry.